Congratulations on your new windows. Upgrading your windows not only enhances your home's appearance but also improves energy efficiency, comfort, and value. To ensure your investment lasts and performs optimally, regular maintenance is essential. Orangeburg's climate, with its hot summers, humidity, and occasional storms, requires some specific care to keep your windows in top condition. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to maintain your new windows after installation in Orangeburg, so they remain beautiful and functional for years to come. Clean your windows regularly. Regular cleaning is the simplest yet most effective way to maintain your windows and keep them looking new. It also prevents dirt and debris from causing long-term damage. Glass cleaning. Use a non-abrasive glass cleaner or a mixture of water and vinegar. Wipe with a soft, lint-free cloth or squeegee to avoid scratches. Frame cleaning. Clean vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum frames with mild soap and water. For wooden frames, use a damp cloth and dry immediately to prevent moisture damage. Track cleaning. Vacuum or wipe down the tracks to remove dust and debris that can interfere with smooth operation. Tip: avoid cleaning windows in direct sunlight, as the cleaner may dry too quickly and leave streaks. Inspect for wear and tear. Regular inspections can help you identify and address minor issues before they become costly repairs. Glass. Look for cracks, chips, or scratches that may compromise the window's efficiency or safety. Seals. Check for gaps or signs of broken seals, such as fogging or condensation between glass panes. Frames and caulking. Inspect frames for cracks, warping, or peeling paint. Ensure caulking around the window is intact and hasn't dried out. Tip: conduct inspections at least twice a year, ideally in spring and fall, to prepare for seasonal changes. Reapply caulking and weather stripping. Orangeburg's fluctuating temperatures and humidity can cause caulking and weather stripping to degrade over time. Proper sealing is crucial for maintaining energy efficiency. Caulking. Remove old, cracked caulk and apply a fresh layer around the window frame to keep out air and water. Weather stripping. Replace damaged weather stripping to maintain an airtight seal and prevent drafts. Tip: choose weather-resistant caulking materials that can withstand Orangeburg's climate. Lubricate moving parts. Windows with movable components, such as double-hung, sliding, or casement windows, require occasional lubrication to ensure smooth operation. Hinges, tracks, and locks. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to these areas to reduce friction and prevent wear. Avoid greasy lubricants. Use non-oily products that won't attract dirt or grime. Tip: lubricate windows once or twice a year or whenever you notice stiffness in operation. Protect against moisture. Orangeburg's humid climate makes moisture control a priority. Excess moisture can lead to frame warping, mold, or mildew. Condensation control. If condensation forms on the inside of your windows, use a dehumidifier to maintain optimal indoor humidity levels. Gutter maintenance. Ensure gutters and downspouts direct water away from your windows to prevent leaks and water damage. Drainage holes. Check that drainage holes in window frames are clear to allow water to escape. Tip: wipe away any moisture buildup immediately to prevent long-term damage. Maintain window screens window screens keep out insects while allowing fresh air to flow. Keeping them clean and in good repair is important for functionality and appearance. Clean screens. Remove screens and gently wash them with soapy water. Rinse thoroughly and let them air dry before reinstalling. Repair tiers. Use a patch kit or replace damaged screens to keep bugs and debris out. Inspect frames. Ensure screen frames are not bent or damaged. Tip: store screens during the winter months to extend their lifespan. Prepare for seasonal weather. Orangeburg experiences occasional storms, which can test the durability of your windows. Being proactive can prevent damage and extend the life of your windows. Storm protection. Install storm shutters or impact-resistant film for added protection during severe weather. Trim nearby trees. Remove overhanging branches that could break and damage your windows during a storm. Post-storm inspection. After a storm, check your windows for any cracks, leaks, or damage. Tip: consider upgrading to impact-resistant windows if storms are a frequent concern. Schedule professional maintenance. While regular DIY maintenance is effective, some tasks require professional expertise. Schedule professional inspections every year or two to ensure your windows remain in top condition. Glass repairs. Professionals can address chips or cracks before they worsen. Frame adjustments. Experts can realign frames or repair structural issues. Deep cleaning. Professional cleaning can restore the shine and clarity of your windows. Conclusion. Maintaining your new windows after installation in Orangeburg is an investment in their longevity, performance, and appearance. By following these simple maintenance tips, you'll keep your windows looking pristine and functioning efficiently, no matter what Orangeburg's climate throws at them. From cleaning and sealing to preparing for storms, regular upkeep ensures you'll enjoy the benefits of your new windows for many years. Partner with a trusted local professional for expert advice and periodic maintenance, and protect your home's beauty and energy efficiency season after season.